All right, so last week when we had our multiplication problem, we had these gloves. We had 3 gloves and we had very similar questions. How many groups are there? How many are in each group? And repeated addition. So last week when we had 3 groups of 5, this is what we had. 1 group of 5, 2 group of 5, 3 groups of 5. Or 5 taken once, 5 taken twice, 5 taken 3 times. And we skip counted on this too. And we said 5, 10, 15. So we knew that 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. Or 5 taken 3 times is 15. And we had this lovely rectangle here. This week, we actually have something very similar but different. This week we have 5 groups and 3 in each group. Sounds kind of familiar, doesn't it? But this week, when we line up our bead bars, we're taking 3 5 times. So here's 3 taken once, 3 taken twice, 3 taken 3 times, 3 taken 4 times, 3 taken 5 times. So this rectangle looks a little bit different. We have this longer base and short height, whereas last week we had a short base and a taller height. But if I were to take this rectangle and rotate it on its side, what we would find is that it is the same. Because what we have here are 2 different families, or 2 different parts of a multiplication family. So last week when we did our work with our gloves, we actually had a multiplication sentence that was, and I'm going to type it in here, 5 times 3, which equaled 15. And this week, we didn't take 5 3 times. We took the number 3, or the numeral 3, 5 times. And figured out in our skip counting that it was 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 15. So we actually know the product to be the same. Our product is 15. But how we grouped them was different. So this week, when we answer which multiplication sentence best describes this picture, it is the number 3 taken 5 times. The number 3 taken 5 times, which equals 15.